Who that?
So you expect me to talk to the window and the door like the last time?
Savage, what you do here?
Angie, don't test me no man. Open the door.
Wow.
I don't want to hear it. Sit. Sit. First things first. You don't feel you could have said you're gonna take a plane and go somewhere.
First things first. I went on an assignment. And you know our work. Top secret.
Oh, our work. A top secret. So you keep secret from me. Alright. Let me ask you this. You never decide to tell me 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, no day. You don't make me know where you're there, where you do, if you're alright, if you're not alright. You think me could have pulled this upon you?
I don't owe you anything, Raymond.
Oh, so it go. No, you said we now want. Hold on, let me get it right. Platonic relationship and you care about me.
That was actually before your wife came back.
Look here, man. Bubbles, cut the bullshit, man. The woman gone 3 years. She literally dead to me. And you are take time little and bring her back to life?
The fact that she could find you and trail you, I don't know what she won't do. And remember, you're both still legally married. That I will stay out of.
Funny, you should have said that. You of all people should have known me well worth stalking, because long before she come back, you was my number one stalker. Morning, noon and night.
Raymond, cut it off.
Hello.
That was work.
You need to stop. You think me not realize where you try to pull off, eh? You try to find every excuse in the book to justify your little vacation where you go on one day. So what? Are you on the Rasta boy go?
Raymond Savage, I went on company assignment. Me never gonna away with no Rasta man.
Alright. What kind of assignment you go on?
My debriefing will be in the morning with Mr. Mullins, not you.
Well, you and Mullins can go all brief in the morning, you see? But one thing me I try to tell you, as of today, never you take your ass and go nowhere. Unless me know where you go, where you pan, where you there, when you come back, everything. Don't do it the next time. And me no want to hear nothing more about no wife. You hear me I tell you? Good. By the way, any coffee is here?
How much sugar you want?
The usual. The amount of order I come tell man about how me gone on top secret mission. Look here now, man. You trying to make a mistake again, you know. Cause you know me about one secret. And one Mullins him. Crosses.